Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to talk with you about all the things in today's newsletter. So today is a special day because it's a fantastic day because we have the fantastic shawl from Charles Gandy. Charles is a master hand knitter, meaning he has gone through the entire master hand knitting program through 𝗁𝗄𝗃 and is a certified master knitter. It's a wonderful 3-part program, and you can learn more about that at 𝗁𝗄𝗃𝗃's website. But I want to show you this shawl, and the thing that's really cool about it is what a lot of us love the most about some patterns is it just uses one small little bit of creative knitting, and in this case there's a short row, a wrap and turn, and it creates a really interesting pattern. So if I get kind of close, I can let you see the way this works. So it is a 8-row repeat, right? So there are 4 rows of this light solid color and 4 rows of the color that's changing. And that color changing yarn is none other than Zauberball Crazy. And the solid is our favorite, of course, Madrona, which is also a fantastic yarn. So that is what the shawl looks like. It just takes one cake and one ball. So I'm going to go through the different colorways and show you what they are. The first one is, so I'll talk about like what the yarn content and stuff is here. So this is Madrona. There's Madrona. Hello. And Madrona is 30% baby alpaca, 30% merino wool, 20 bamboo viscose, and 20 nylon. There's 100 grams. So this is 𝗷𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃. So there's that dark gray color. And it goes with Zauberball Crazy, color 2231. So there's 𝗷𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃. And Crazy Zauberball, I have to look it up again because I've now forgotten what it is. It is 75% wool, 25 nylon. How can I forget that? So this is 𝗷𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃, 1 ball of Zauberball Crazy, 1 cake of Madrona. The second combination is one called Tide-Pool, and so it uses this really beautiful light color. It's called Glacial Ice of Madrona, and then it uses 2136 for the Zauberball Crazy. So there's that one, Tide-Pool. The third one, also green leaning, sort of. It is uses this really light, is this one? Meadow grass. So there's meadow grass. And this is color 2428, which is just grays. So it's a green and gray adventure here for this one here. This is 𝗁𝗁𝗃𝗃. Lichen as in moss and stuff, not like I'm liking this thing, 𝗁𝗁𝗃𝗃. Then there's Cranberry Harvest is the colorway. So we're using this, which is Huckleberry Wine, paired with color 1507. And what's really cool about this one, I don't know if it's going to show very well, there's a really nice, deep, dusty, dark blue in this, along with that sort of fun wine color and grays and things. And when we get into Zauberball Crazy, the thing that's fun about it is every ball of this is different, right? We've talked about this before. And you can sort of see how the colors change when you peek in into the ball of yarn. You can see how it changes because of the fun way that that 𝗁𝗱𝗆 winds these balls. The next one is called Mountain Violet. Mountain Violet is made of Madrona in beetroot stew, and it's paired with this really awesome one. This is color 2427, which has like a little dusty purple in it. It has a very, very light bit of a green. It goes into gold. There's some blue in here. You know, that's why they call the yarn crazy, right? Because the yarn just, the colors sort of change each ply independently, and then they are plied together to make this really beautiful, really random 2-ply yarn. Then the last one of all of these fantastic shawl combos is sort of oceany looking to me. It's called Polar Iceberg. Polar Iceberg is, what color are you? Oh, powder snow. Just a very light, creamy color, paired with color 2438, which is all the blues. All the really wonderful blues. And it's kind of similar, this blue version, kind of similar to the colorway that I used for this sample. Our sample goes from like a burgundy-ish color into almost black. So this colorway is not one of the 6 options, but you do have 6 fun options to choose from for the fantastic shawl. So what do you get with the deal this week or today, right? So this kit will come with the 1 ball and 1 cake of yarn that you need. It will also come with the fantastic shawl pattern, which we will purchase through Ravelry for you. And then we'll print a copy of the pattern, include it in your Ravelry library if you have that. If you don't have a Ravelry library or you don't know your ID, don't worry about it. We'll just use the email that you provide when you check out, and we'll send the pattern there. So you'll have a digital copy as well. So you get all those things, and the price is on the website, so you can check that out. The second thing I want to show you, I want to remind you that it is, we do have a few of Carson's books in stock still. This is called Knitting Comfortably. Hello? Knitting Comfortably, and it's by a physical therapist named Carson Demers, who works out of San Francisco. He's been in the industry for years and years, is an avid knitter and spinner as well, and uses his knowledge of physical therapy, repetitive motion injuries, ergonomics, to educate us in this really incredible book about what we need to do to keep ourselves healthy and crafting for a very, very long time. So posture plays a lot into the way that we work. And one of the things that was, I'm sure it's in the book as well, but one of the things I like the most about hints that Carson has given is when you're working on a large project, something large, when it gets to be larger, this one starts really small and grows, or you're working on a big sweater, 400 stitches in the round, or a big something. Once you get to that end of round marker, it's a nice moment to stop and sort of do a mental scan of your body. How am I sitting? I always sort of sit a little strange, so I will straighten myself up. It might be a good opportunity to get up and stretch, especially when you're doing a longer run of working, so that you can get up and, check your posture and that kind of thing. Looking down a lot is part of our problem, so we might do some neck stretches and that kind of thing as well. So check out the book. That end of round or beginning of round marker is a good moment to sort of stop and check yourself, right? To see how you're sitting and working. But there's so much in this book, and it is really worth adding to your library. So that is that wonderful book. And then the other thing that's in the newsletter is it's censored, haha. It is the off I'm knitting bag. It is one that is designed and printed from us in our studio. Of course, the little censored tag will not be on yours. It is just what it is. It's this beautiful little fun bag. It does have a zipper, a silver little zipper. It is white on the inside, and it is ready to make you laugh and to a little bit of silliness into your day, a little bit of mature humor, if you will. So these bags are printed and available. They are in our newsletter as well. You can click the link, see what it looks like without the little tag, and decide if you or someone that you know might like this sentimental bag to add to your collection. So I think that's it. There is a reminder, I suppose, in the newsletter as well for the 18th that's coming up. It is our Monster Drop check-in. So be sure to sign up for that if you're interested. It's from 5 to 6 p.m. on the 18th, 5 to 6 Pacific time. And that's where we're gonna sort of check in with everyone, see where the monsters might have gone, find out if people have questions, or maybe they have some new ideas about how to make monsters, little crafted creatures that we put out into the world to encourage others to have good days. They're basically little gifts that we knit for strangers, or crochet for strangers, or cut and sew for people in our community. So check that out as well. I think that's it for today. That's enough, right? Fantastic shawl that you can grab and get going on. It's a fun project to sort of mindlessly knit. We have the Knitting Comfortably book. We have the knitting, the little 𝗁𝗍𝘄 knitting project bag, the zippered project bag, and then the little gentle reminder about our event that's coming up. So that's it for today. It is a lovely, lovely Tuesday here. We will see you again on Friday with some more fun and adventures, I'm sure. Until then, stay safe, reach out to your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you are always aware of when we get these newsletters and videos released. So that's it. Have a fun week, everyone, and we will see you again on Friday. Bye for now.